Hey everybody, welcome to the channel Taking a Bathroom. The bathroom is the only place you can place your gadgets in peace. On this channel we do product reviews and also some tutorials. If you want to support the channel, go ahead and check out my ebook, www.themanwhosetselfonsfire.com. You already see the thumbnail? Right to I want to tell you why you should never buy another Fire Stick. I know what you're saying. Check this clickbait. Nah, guys. How you can take a previously owned flagship and use it as your main streaming device and the advantages you have when you do that. Let's get this phone to the workbench. We're going to look at the LG V35. Not only this phone, but even cheaper phones, guys. You can use it as your main streaming device. Enough talking. Let me show you. Alright, so here we have the LG V35 Thin Q. Go ahead and open up the box. You get this little cleaning cloth. Put the phone to the side. Quick starter guide. You have your power block. It's a nice size block for quick charging. Very impressed with how fast this phone charged from zero. And you have your USB-C port wire. Now your full manual is going to be found in this little package right here. If you're looking for your injection tool, of course, it's in here also. So that's everything in the box. Let's talk a little bit about the phone itself. Now, this is the primary reason why I say this phone can replace your streaming device. Because of the specs that's inside of the phone, it really turns it into a power entertainment hub. Go ahead and remove this plastic from the phone. Now, you're getting a 6-inch full HD screen. The resolution is right there for you to see. And not only are you getting those 535 pixel density, but you have a rear fingerprint sensor, 33 milliamp non-removable battery, and you're getting two 16 megapixel cameras, 6 gigs of RAM, 64 storage, and you can even add storage. That's right, you can put an SD card, load it up with your favorite media, your favorite apps, and you're good to go. Phone feels pretty good in your hand. It's thin from the side, power rocker on the side. Your fingerprint scanner doubles as a power on, power off button, and look at that beautiful screen. Out of the box, the phone is rocking the Oreo version of Android, but LG have the skin on top of that. As you can see, it's very fluid. I love what they have done to it. Give you tons and tons of options. Now, you already know if you have an Android phone, you're going to be able to customize it any way you want, even if you have to add another launcher. I love what you can do with this phone. You can change the resolution, you can change the color, temperature. It really make the phone your own. Think about that. If you're watching your favorite IPTV or if you're watching your favorite movie TV show app, you really can customize this phone so you can have the best viewing experience. Now, since the unboxing of this phone, I received an update to Android Pie. So now I have the current Android operation system with this phone, but it still have this LG skin on top of it. You be the judge for yourself. Look how smooth, look how beautiful, look how fast and responsive this phone is. Not only are you getting all of the benefits from having this media hub, having this beautiful display, having the ability to tweak it, to fine tune it to just how you like it, just how you want it, but you can actually use it as a conventional phone also. Let me continue to make my case why you can get a previous flagship and use it as your #1 streaming device. Imagine if a Fire Stick was portable and you was able to stream your favorite media, but also had the ability to take front and rear pictures. And not any type of pictures, people. This camera takes very good pictures. That's the benefit you have when you're getting a flagship. Yes, this phone probably was $800 a year or two ago, but you literally can get it for pennies on a dollar. Now, we use our phones for everything. Now you have an opportunity to get a previous flagship with all of the high-end specs and not only use your phone for your calendar, not only use your phone for your emails or keeping your business appointments together, but having a secondary phone at a reasonable price as your streaming device. I mean, you basically have the specs of a NVIDIA Shield with a screen on it. These phones are very powerful. Look at the viewing angles on this phone. Look how beautiful that display is. Look how fast and snappy it is. I mean, how many times can I say it? Don't buy a Fire Stick when you can have a previous flagship phone at a reasonable price. Now I know what you're saying. I don't want to watch media on a small screen. I got you. But first, this commercial. Tired of paying higher internet bill? Can't get internet in your area? An IPTV reseller want to offer your clients something different. Guys, I can show you how you can get unlimited internet. That's right, unlimited data. I have a 20-minute long video. They walk you step to step how you can go to the magical website and all of the tools you need and the equipment you need. You can cut your internet bill down to $35, or you can resell internet to your family, friends, and neighbors. Go ahead and send me a Cash App at dbogan78, or PayPal me at Taking the Bathroom, or my PayPal email address, bathroomminister@gmail.com. Unlimited internet. If you want to know more, I see you in the comment section, or send me an email at takingthebathroom@gmail.com. Alright, just when you thought it couldn't get any better, you want to watch your content on a bigger screen. Now here I have a USB-C port hub. I have a wireless keyboard with a dongle. Only thing I'm going to do is just plug up this USB-C port hub with an HDMI reader built into it, plug it into my phone, plug the dongle up, and now my wireless keyboard can control my phone. Show you how they look. With this configuration, I'm in full control of my phone via the keyboard. I don't need mouse to toggle like on the Fire Stick. I can control it and I can have a better streaming experience. Yeah, I hear you. Miss me with that tech. I want to watch it on a bigger screen. Now, because this USB-C hub have an HDMI connection to it, I can plug this into my TV just like this, and now I'm going to be able to view everything on my phone using that wireless keyboard, full control. Let me show you how they look. Once I connect it to my TV, I have a device that I can put in my pocket, connect to my TV, that's more powerful or just as powerful as an NVIDIA Shield. I can watch any IPTV channel. I can search through YouTube. I can search the web, any movie, TV app. I can watch it. Now, your phone don't have a USB-C port or it's not compatible with these features? Say it with me, word of the day, I got you. I'm gonna link this item in the description of the video. Now, this particular item right here have many adapters. You can use it for micro USB, you can use it for iPhone connector, and of course USB-C port. Guys, I'm telling you, old flagships, old phones with nice specs can take the place of your Fire Stick. Let me give you the bonus round. Alright, so here we are in the work truck. I have another adapter SR, same principle. I go ahead and hook up the wireless keyboard. I have a power inverter to power this monitor, have a Bluetooth speaker, have all of these things connected. Now, what I do, take that game changer, that unlimited internet, the hotspot, $25 donation. I can tell you exactly how you can save yourself and family members money on internet. I have this internet in my pocket, connect my secondary phone to that hotspot, go ahead and open up my IPTV and connect it to the monitor, and voila, I'm in business. Never buy another Fire Stick again. If you just looking for a streaming experience, then go ahead. But if you're looking for much more, remember, you can get old flagship phones at a cheaper price and it can do more. Let's jump back to the bathroom. Alright, welcome back, guys. So now you see the advantages that you have if you use a secondary phone or previously flagship phone as your main streaming device. Now, I know it gets complicated. Fire Sticks are cheaper. You can put them in more rooms on different televisions. However, if you're the type of person that you just have one-man TV and you want to have options, a secondary phone, previously flagship phone, can be your solution to all of your streaming problems. Not only can you use this to stream your IPTV with no buffering, without any problem, it's mobile. Have a built-in screen, guys. You can bring it wherever you want to go, and if you use that hub, it converts this into an entertainment system. Hey, it's your boy Taking the Bathroom. Just something to jog your mind. Why you may not want to ever buy a Fire Stick again. You're getting more power with a stream. It's portable. You can do more with it. And when you get back home, just connect it to your TV and continue to enjoy your streaming experience. It's your boy Taking the Bathroom. Until next time, peace. Don't forget to subscribe. If you're looking how to sell unlimited internet to your family and friends, go ahead and send me that Cash App dbogan78 or PayPal me at Taking the Bathroom or my PayPal email bathroomminister@gmail.com. 2 M's. Get with me, guys, in the comment section. Until next time, peace. Have a nice day. Don't forget to subscribe and also hit that notification button so you can be up to date with all of my latest videos.